Men, you ever wonder why women are always with two types of guys? Men with money or the bad boy? I'll tell you exactly why right now. But first, look at these fresh eggs. Oh my goodness. Right from a village. I'm making me a quick omelet. Anyways, so look, it's not that women are only attracted to guys with money and they want to go dig or something like that. It's not that. It's that guys with money are confident, right? The money makes them a little more confident. So they go, you know what? I have nothing to lose. I already have a lot of women that want to date me, that want to sleep with me. So I have nothing to lose by approaching this one woman, right? And women are attracted to confident guys. The end. The second one is the bad boy. Bad boys just don't give a shit. So they go up to a bunch of women. It's a numbers game. And they end up going up to attractive, very, very attractive women. And women are attracted to the confidence. So go out this weekend and be confident. All right? Be a confident man. And go approach that girl that you like. Peace.